when you see me a step, you should know I'm a queen. Queen of the jungle. Queen of the jungle. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, a very special welcome to you guys. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and also share this video if you liked it. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my netball teammates hair, and my girl Sapphire is going to be doing their makeup. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I don't want to talk too much. So I'm gonna be using one pack of Lily Easy braid in the length 48 inch on each of their heads. So I use one pack each, and they're doing knee length. So first things first, I'm gonna just prep out the hair. I'm gonna comb through the hair, as you can see me doing here, and then I'm going to prep out the hair. The style we're doing today is all backs with a twist. It's like a kind of boxy part. I will put a picture right here. I saw it on Instagram. So today I'm gonna try to remake that style on their both heads. So you can watch me go through the process of combing both of their heads, and then we'll come back when their makeup is being done. Also, I want to make some honorable mentions. You all already know my hair blog if you're not new to this channel, at Sassy Hair Lounge on Instagram. And I also got my precision pad comb and the wristband that I'm using to put the product on from Jay's Haircraft on Instagram. So you can check out those both pages for your hair supplies. Now I know I said I'll come back at the end of the video, but you all know I like to explain certain stuff. So just to give you all these steps and the process of what I'll be doing today, right here I'm just parting out her hair in all 6 sections so that I'll be able to have like a guideline for how I'm going to do the braids, and then I'm gonna start doing the boxy parting and braiding her hair. Another tip, please bear in mind that when you're taking out these strands of hair to keep feeding in the strands of braid, make sure that these strands are not too thick. Also coming down to the end, you can just make them a little bigger to add fullness and body to the braid. So now I'm going to leave you all to look at the process of how I achieved this style on both my clients today, and I'm just gonna come back when the makeup is being done by my girl Sapphire. So as you can see here, I'm just extending all the braids. So when you're doing the cornrows before, like if you have to extend the hair into butt length, knee length, anything like that, I suggest you do all the cornrows first, and then you can go in and extend the hair. So now I'm just doing my finishing touches. I'm passing mousse throughout her hair. I'm gonna do her edges and also oil her scalp, and then I spray it with my challenge and finishing spray. However, I'm not gonna dip her hair until I'm finished with my next client. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse, a quick time lapse, so while I'm doing my next client hair, so that this video wouldn't be too long and you wouldn't get bored. Okay guys, so it's finally time for the makeup. As you can see, I also did a time lapse here, but this makeup is being done today by my girl Sapphire. You can follow her makeup page at Aesthetic Touch on Instagram. She also does crochet, bathing suits and stuff like that. I'll also put the ad for that here, and she also does sewing, so I'll also put the ad for that. So I'm gonna put her 3 business pages right here, so you can go check them out and give her some sales. Okay guys, so we are finally finished, and I'm just gonna put all the pictures and videos with how their hair and makeup looked, so you can go ahead and follow my girl Sapphire on Instagram, all her pages, follow my Instagram page, and also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Bye.